Hey there, this is Chris from Still Life Stories, and I've got something really special here. A few years ago, I managed to get 5 gallons of unaged, really high quality Texas rye whiskey. And I got it in the bottle, so it's never been aged before. It's never been an oak. And I've been traveling around so much, I finally got around to getting an oak cask to put it in and start aging it. So the good folks at the barrel mill in Minnesota just sent me a 5-gallon barrel, and I'm gonna open it up and get it all ready to go and fill it full of whiskey and let it start aging. And we'll start doing a a monthly breakdown on how this whiskey ages from in the bottle to being in the oak. Every month we're going to open it up and take a look, see how the color's changing, see how the flavor's changing. You know, in 5 gallons it'll age pretty quickly, so I suspect in a year or so it's going to be really, really nice. So let's open this thing up. Here's the box. Let's open it. You should probably never open a box with something like this, but I had it handy. Instructions. Packing paper. This is really beautiful. Check out the awesome logo. Huh? There's 2. Still Life Stories. Pretty sweet. Beautiful American white oak with the number 5 char, a medium char, and I've even got a spigot on the front. It's all wrapped in plastic now. We're going to unwrap it and fill it full of water and let the wood soak up a little bit, and then we're going to fill it full of really good whiskey. So the instructions said leave the plastic on and fill it up full of warm/hot water, and just let the oak swell a little bit. Put it on in for a couple of days until it doesn't drip. So it's getting filled up. It's beautiful wood too. Look at that. It's really something. Really a nice thing to have in the house, especially when it's all full of good whiskey. We also sent these, which is really cool. If you're not putting something in the barrel, these are little spiral cuts of French oak, American oak with a char on it, and amburana. And amburana wood, it's interesting. It's a Brazilian wood, and it imparts a really interesting flavor to whiskey. So it's hard to find an amburana whiskey. I know of somebody who makes it. It's pretty fabulous. But you can actually put some amburana in whatever whiskey you have, and just put one of these in a 750 ml bottle, and it'll give that flavor to it. Pretty interesting.